Tabi mo dyan, tabi mo dyan. Bigay mo kay baby. Huwag mong tulak yung kapatid mo. Laro na lang kayo ng duck. Bigyan mo si baby ng duck. Gusto niya ng duck. Kay sino-sino yung duck na yan? Sino-sino yung duck na yan? Turo mo nga.
Daddy.
Sino pa?
Daddy.
Bago ko ba nalaman ko yung pag-simula sa singles watch? Yun ang patakaran na po naman.
Pero kung tsaka ang hindi ko ang ginawa mo na kaya. At paano ko nang gagawin yun, ha? Para makapaglaro tayo ng ayos, dapat mapagandang muna natin ang mabuti ang isang match, di ba?
Ito na bang sitwasyon? Dapat magbutihin mo sa abot na mga kaya mo. Hindi ba ganun ang dapat sa ugali ng isang tunay na player?
Daddy. Daddy, daddy. Daddy, daddy. Daddy, daddy.
Hiram lang si baby. Wawa na si baby. Wala siya. Bigyan mo si baby.
Fighting spirit namin. Hindi ako na.
Daddy.
Ako lalapit sa singles match, di ko hayaan ikaw ang mapili. Papakita ko lang sa fighting spirit mo.
Daddy. 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 Daddy, daddy. Daddy, daddy.
Virgie, do you mind if I take a seat beside you?
Okay na sa akin. Kaya lang.
Yes, I know we're from opposing teams. But generally speaking, we are friends as a love for tennis.
Daddy. Daddy.
That's true.
Daddy.
The reason I came to you is to let you know about something important. It is something that you must know and that will be vital to you.
Daddy.
In the next match, Arnold will emerge as the victim.
Daddy.
Oh, I'm sorry if that remark surprised you.
Daddy.
But after you hear Arnold's heart-wrenching
Baby,
story,
tita,
you understand why
mommy,
he's such a
daddy.
fancy with utmost certainty.
Daddy.
That's right. The story of how we became the tennis player that he is today.
Daddy.
Nice filled with medicine.
Huwag tulak si baby.
How well do you know yourself?
Wala.
Are you worried about menopause? Does your ex serve as any chance? That's right, Brady. Begin at 40?
Tuta.
Do you believe in happily ever after? We may not have all the answers, but we
No.
sure do want to help you find
Hoy,
them.
huwag mo.
Let's talk. Let's talk.
Huwag mo itulak si baby. Kawawa.
Mom, we take 5 p.m. on cue.
Mami. 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 Mami.
Ano ka ba ni baby?
Ayun.
Punasa may sipon mo muna. Punasa may sipon mo muna.